Let's make crispy cashew biscuits with wheat flour. These are perfect with tea and so easy to bake. First, take some cashews and grind them in a mixer. Just pulse a few times so they don't turn oily. We want a fine dry cashew powder. I will need this 1/4 cup later to measure the curd, so I am using a separate cup of the same size to measure the cashew powder. Now in a bowl, take 1/4 cup curd, add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in it. Mix it well. This will make our biscuits light. Next add 1/3 cup melted ghee. Mix it well. Then add half cup powdered sugar to this mixture and mix until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now add 1 cup plus 1/4 cup wheat flour. A pinch of salt in it. Now add our ground cashews. Mix gently and bring everything together into a soft dough. It will smell so good already. Let's place the dough on cling film or parchment paper and wrap it nicely. This will help it hold its shape while it chills. I am shaping the dough into a cuboid like a small rectangular block. This will help us get neat, even cookies when we slice it. Refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Chilling the dough will make cutting neat and easy. After chilling, slice the dough into even pieces. Place them on a lined baking tray. And press one cashew on top of each biscuit. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius in your microwave convection oven for 15 to 17 minutes or until the edges turn golden. Look at them, our cashew biscuits are ready. Look at the texture. Bake the remaining biscuits. With this recipe, you will make 17 to 18 biscuits. Let them cool completely before storing. These cashew biscuits are crisp, rich, and so satisfying. Do try them at home and let me know how they turn out. Try it, and you will not regret.